Do you want to turn your photos into soft artistic illustration using your S Pen? Samsung has a feature called Drawing Assist Restyle Image. One of the style is soft illustration. To restyle image with soft illustration, first remove your S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select an image from your gallery. Choose soft illustration as the effect. This effect focuses on soft colors and smooth details. Tap Generate and wait for the result. When the result is ready, you will see some icons above the image. Tap the download icon to save the image to your gallery. Soft illustration is great for artistic background and aesthetic images, but for photos with people or animals, the result may look different from the original. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.